Do you want an instant backyard glow up that doesn't raise your energy bill? Well, this is your solution. We upgraded our backyard with the Artika Blaze solar string lights, and it made such a big difference. Inside the box, there is a 42-feet string with 20 LED bulbs. It comes with all the mounting hardware. The bulbs are wrapped for protection and made of durable plastic, not glass. Our fence before was just plain and boring. Installation super easy. Screw the lights on, peel off the red film, and you're set. They are tough and built to last. The solar panel connects with one plug. It mounts in seconds and powers everything automatically from dusk to dawn. The solar panel has a simple on and off switch and lets you pick different lighting patterns for any vibe. And here's the final result. Warm glow, instant backyard upgrade. Energy efficient, easy, and beautiful. Check this out on the product page.